I ruined the whole entire berm because I fell on the outside, and now the whole entire outside is just completely cooked. So we gotta have a lot of progress done tomorrow, making the berm lot better, and I mean it. And another jump. So I routed out the whole entire jump, line, progress, and all that stuff. And it looks like it's gonna be really fun. And so hopefully we get this finished. And that is it for part 2.